Hi everybody and welcome again to another episode of my YouTube channel, Rated Karina, with all the dogs. Actually, hindi pa ho ito lahat ng dogs ko. I have about 15 pets. For every home, may 5. So dito, in my lockdown residence, I have introducing Burger, Alex, Trina, Buddy, and Princess. Ayan. Yung sa kanila iba, adopted. Yung sa iba, rescue. Yung iba, binigay sa akin. Okay, so they're all here because they want to eat my fried chicken. But yes, everybody knows that I love dogs. I'm very passionate about it. I don't believe in buying dogs, nor selling dogs, nor breeding dogs. I believe in rescuing dogs. So, pinag-uusapan rin lang naman ng rescue. Alam nyo ba, na minsan, binisita ko ang Cara Shelter for the Laguna Pit Bulls in Quezon. Hindi ako makatiis. So, ang ginawa ko, kinuha ko lahat ng mga may sakit at lahat ng mga matatanda. Yung mga tipong hindi na talaga sila pipiliin para maampon. Sabi ko, sa nalalabi nilang panahon, sa buhay nilang maikli, pasasayahin ko sa kanila. So, this now is a rare opportunity for you to see our major production ng aming excursion for the one and only birthday trip that all of these pit bulls had in their short lives. I think maiiyak kayo dito, matutuwa. The first time they went out to the beach to run as far as they can and to blow and eat their own candles and cakes. Okay, so, handa na ba kayo mag-excursion kasama ng ating mga pit bulls? What? And enjoy! Hi, Mona! Hi, Mona! Gusto niya maglakad? Hi, sweetheart! Hi, sweetheart! Mona! This is Mona! Hi, Mona! How are you? Hi, Clara! Oh, ito naman si Vienna, oh. Oh, ito, naku, kulit nito. This is Nacho. This is Macho Nacho. And Ella! One of my favorites is Ella. Ella has a heart condition, but hindi halata. Si Simone naman, Simone has a failing kidney. Right, Simone? Sydney is an Aspin. Hindi siya mukhang Aspin. Come, baby! Most Aspins are mixed breeds, kaya ang ganda niya. O, sa ilalim ng kotse namin siya nakita. We're bringing out, I think, about 7 or 8 dogs. So these are all my fostered pit bulls. They were rescued from an illegal dog fighting ring. Today is our day at the beach because they've never been to the beach. This is the first time that they're going to see the water. They're going to be frolicking in the beach. And this is really my project for them na hindi natin alam kung hanggang kailan na lang sila mabubuhay. We really don't know. I just want to give them their best life. And we're going to give birthday cakes to each one of them. At least in their short life here on Earth, we're going to give them a beautiful day. Join us. It's going to be fun. Pit bulls are so sweet. You know, in other countries, they are the pet of choice. They're good with kids, they're good with families, they can be good with other dogs. I've never seen the dogs this excited. Alam nyo, yung dog, pinapaliguan yan. They take a bath, but they've never really seen this much expanse of space. So pag nakakakita sila ng ganito, it's either they're scared or they're so excited. So you saw a while ago, Ella was so scared. Ayaw niyang pumasok sa water. But now, look at her go! Oh, ayan. And then, Nacho was number 1. Talagang macho si Nacho. So here, Mona Lisa. Ito yung parati kong kasama because she's blind. And it doesn't stop her from enjoying life, you know. So these dogs, they've never had water up to here that way. And I'm so happy that I gave them this part of their best life. Because she's blind, she's always scared of bumping into places. But here, she feels safe enough to just go with the wind and run. Ngayon ko lang siya nakitang tumakbo talaga. Come on, baby! And then we're going to give them a birthday party. I don't know when their birthdays are. Never pa sila nag-celebrate ng birthday nila with a family.